In this video, we will introduce some easy and quick ways to transfer photos from your Motorola phone to your computer. Way 1. Transfer photos from Moto to PC using Coolmuster Android Assistant. Step 1. Install and run the tool on your computer, and then connect your mobile to a computer. You need to enable the USB debugging on your phone to make it detectable by the program. Step 2. Once your phone is detected, the parameter information of your phone, including phone model, system version and storage space size, will be shown in the main interface. Step 3. To transfer pictures from Motorola to PC, click Photos tab from the left sidebar. Mark the photos you want to transfer to your computer and click the Export button. Then, you can choose an output location on your computer to save the exported photos. Way 2. Transfer photos from Moto to PC using Coolmuster Android Backup Manager. Step 1. After installing Coolmuster Android Backup Manager on PC, launch it and then click the Android Backup and Restore module. Step 2. Connect your Moto phone to PC via a USB cable. Then enable the USB debugging on your phone to let the software detect it. Once done, you will see the interface like below. Select the backup option. Step 3. To transfer all pictures from Motorola to PC, tick the checkbox of photos and select the location on PC to store the photos. Lastly, hit backup button. Way 3. Download photos from Moto to PC via dragging and dropping. Step 1. Link your Motorola phone to your computer by using a USB cable. During the connection, you may get a prompt about selecting a connection type. Choose Transfer Files. Step 2. Open the File Explorer window on your PC and then find your Motorola from the left sidebar. Click to open it. Step 3. Now, according to the location where your photos are saved, you find your photos on Motorola by selecting the internal storage or the SD card folder. Step 4. Find and double-click to open the DSIM folder camera folder. Select the photos you want to move to the computer and press Ctrl+C to copy them. Step 5. Open a folder that you want to use to store the photos on computer and press Ctrl+V to paste the photos from Motorola. Way 4. Download photos from Moto to PC via Windows Photos app. Step 1. Connect your Motorola phone to your PC using a USB cable. Ensure that both devices are properly connected. On your PC, open the Windows Photos app. Step 2. Once the Photos app is open, click on the Import button located at the top right corner of the screen. Select the photos you want to download or click on the Select All option. Step 3. Afterward, click on the Continue button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Choose the destination folder on your PC where you want to save the downloaded photos. Step 4. Click on the Import button to initiate the transfer process. The Photos app will start downloading the selected photos from your Motorola phone to the specified folder on your PC. Once the transfer is complete, you can access and view your downloaded photos using the Windows Photos app or any other preferred photo viewing application on your PC. Way 5. Move pictures from Motorola to PC with Google account. Step 1. Open the Photos app on your Motorola phone and sign into it with your Google account. Step 2. Tap the 3- icon on the top left corner of the screen and tap Settings Backup and Sync, and turn it on. Step 3. Now you can go to Google Photos website on your PC and log into it with the same Google account. Step 4. Tick off the photos you want to download to your computer and click the 3 horizontal icon at the top right corner. Then click the Download option to save these selected photos on your computer. Way 6. Move pictures from Motorola to PC with Bluetooth. Step 1. On your phone, go to the Quick menu and turn on the Bluetooth option. On your PC, open the Settings menu and navigate to the Bluetooth and Other Devices section. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on as well. Step 2. Pair your Motorola phone with your PC. Go to the gallery or the folder containing the pictures you want to move on your Motorola phone. Step 3. Select the pictures you wish to transfer, and tap on the Share option in the menu. Then select Bluetooth as the sharing method. Choose your paired PC from the list. Step 4. Right-click on the Bluetooth icon in the right bottom of your PC's desktop, and choose Receive a File to receive your photos. Once the transfer is complete, you can access the transferred pictures on your PC.